Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log into Discord account. Logging into Discord is easy. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Make sure you've downloaded Discord on your mobile device. If you have not yet, then go to your Play Store or your App Store and type in Discord. Soon after you find the app, tap on the install button, and after you're done, tap open the app. This is what it looks like, the very first interface of Discord. In order to log in, tap on the login button at the bottom, but if you don't have an account yet, simply tap on register and register yourself to a new account first. Since we are logging in today's tutorial episode, let me tap on login at the bottom and enter your email or your phone number. Enter any one of them and on the next field, enter your password. In case you forgot your password, tap on Forgot Your Password and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After you're done entering the credentials, click on Login button, and that is it. You have been logged into Discord. That is how you can log into Discord, quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.